Somebody asked me my comment on American election. It is simple, sir. There is a land sentiment in America. Lakhs of people died because of corona, which has been poorly managed by Mr. Donald Trump. The land sentiment promoted new democratic presidential man. Please understand, the land sentiment promoted new democratic presidential man. Land sentiment promoted new democratic presidential man corresponds to Lanthanum, Cerium, Prosiodemium, Neodymium, and Promethium. See, some European gondas, they made trouble and disrespect. Some European gondas, actually they came onto street and burning and so many things and making demonstrations. Some European gondas trouble and they disrespect holy electorate. Tell me why you want to bluff Mr. Donald Trump? You may ask. Tell me why you want to bluff Mr. Donald Trump. You remember up to this point. Now you can say land sentiment, Lanthanum Cerium, promoted Promethium, new democratic Neodymium, presidential man Promethium. These are the first 5 lanthanides. Some European gundas trouble and disrespect holy electorate. Tell me why you want to bluff Mr. Donald Trump? Actually, a thunder pack came onto your head when you are under nap. It actually thunder pack on you when you are in nap. The pure Americans came back. California to eastern coast, following and the famous medalists. Who are the medalists? Those who got Nobel Prizes, Nobel laureates. All the Nobel laureates were against you. Do you know? Mr. Donald Trump, actually a thunder pack under nap came to you because pure Americans came back. California to east, from medalists and Nobel laureates, they were also against you. That is the reason for your defeat. Now it is easy for you to remember this sentence. Land sentiment promoted new democratic presidential man. Some European gundas, they trouble and disrespect holy electorate. Tell me why you bluff Mr. Donald Trump. Actually a thunder pack under nap fallen on you. Pure Americans came back. California to east coast, from medalists, Nobel laureates are also against you. So this is a way, if you want to remember the 30 elements, the 50 lanthanides and 15 actinides. Actually lanthanum is a D block element, actinium is a D block element. Rest in the lanthanide family or F block, rest in the actinide family or in F block. Try to remember. Land sentiment promoted new democratic presidential man, that takes care of 5 elements. Some European gundas trouble and disrespect, that corresponds to another 5 elements. Holy electorate, tell me why you bluff. This takes care of another 5 elements. In lanthanides, tell me why you bluff Donald Trump. Actually thunder pack under nap. Put Americans, pure Americans came back, or put Americans come back. California to east coast, from medalists, Nobel laureates also against you. If you remember this, you can remember all the Lanthanides and Actinides. Try, say this sentence or story so many times you can remember.